Hi everyone, my name is Emily Freeborn and I'm excited to be taking this class this semester. I am a new professor at Mason and will be teaching my first course and first online course this fall. Um, the course will be discussing the therapeutic benefits of play in the hospital setting. I am a child life specialist and have been working as a child life specialist for 13 years. And I'm really excited to be partnering with Mason to provide this requirement for our field so that we can expand. Um, so I'm very excited. I'm hoping, since I've never taught online, to get some tips and tricks and pointers to make my class very interactive and interesting for the students that I'll be meeting this fall. Um, my experience with online courses is I completed my master's degree several years ago through an online program, so I'm familiar with the online process from a student perspective. A little bit about me is I have lived in Virginia now for 13 and a half years. I'm originally from Pennsylvania. Um, and let's see, two truths and a lie about me. I have been married for 10 years. I have two little girls, 3.5 and 1.5, and I am a diehard Philadelphia Eagles fan. Um, don't hold that against me. So I'm excited to see where this course goes this semester and to get to know all of you a little bit more. Bye.